Hi, and welcome back to my series on adverbs. The first thing I want to talk about today is form versus function. In grammar, the form means the way that something is made. So, for example, with an adverb, you will usually have an ly ending. The function is how it works in the sentence. Like I said, an adverb is usually formed using ly. For example, quickly, happily, completely. Some adverbs do not have ly. For example, very, more, or less. Adverbs have a specific form within the sentence. Adverbs can go in 3 places in a sentence. An adverb can start a sentence. When an adverb starts a sentence, it is followed by a comma. You can see the example here. Soon, comma, I will go to the store. Adverbs can also go at the end of a sentence. When an adverb is at the end of the sentence, there is no comma. So, I will go to the store soon. The final place an adverb can go is in the middle of a sentence. So, I will soon go to the store. This is less common when an adverb is only one word. Now, lots of these adverbs have different names, and some people will put them in different categories. I just want to give you a basic understanding of how an adverb is made and how it functions in a sentence. So that was the form. And now let's talk about function. Adverbs modify things in sentences. Modify means to change the meaning in this case. Adverbs can modify verbs, adjectives, and sometimes other adverbs. Adverbs answer 4 questions: where, when, why, and how. Let's look at some examples. Here's a simple sentence. The boy ran quickly. Quickly is the adverb. It modifies the verb ran. It answers the question how. How did the boy run? The boy ran quickly. The room was completely dark. You're right, the adverb is completely. It modifies the word dark. How dark was the room? Notice that dark is an adjective. This is one way an adverb can modify an adjective. The room was completely dark. Soon, I will go to the store. Soon is the adverb. Notice the comma here. Soon modifies will go. When will I go to the store? Soon I will go to the store. We played nearby. Nearby is an adverb. This is an example of an adverb that does not end in ly. Nearby modifies played. It answers the question where. Where did we play? We played nearby. Now here's a tricky one for you. I study more frequently than my sister. Here you have 2 adverbs. The first adverb, more, modifies the second adverb, frequently. This is a comparative, more frequently than my sister. More frequently together modifies study. Great. So now that you understand the basics, let's take a short quiz and see how you do. For each sentence in the quiz, you need to choose the adverb, determine what it is modifying, and decide which question it's answering. Take a look and see if you can choose the adverb, determine what it's modifying, and decide which question it's answering. All right, let's take a look. Number 1, the two children played happily. Happily is the adverb, it modifies played, and it answers the question how. Number 2, later I will play with my sister. Later is the adverb, it modifies will play, and it answers the question when. Number 3, I run frequently, but I still lose my breath when I climb stairs. Frequently is the adverb, it modifies run, and it answers the question when or how often. And number 4, I'm entirely happy that my brother will marry soon. Entirely is the adverb, it modifies the adjective happy, and it answers the question how, as in, how happy am I? Adverbs can be one word, a phrase, or a clause. Next time in our adverb series, I'll talk about adverb clauses.